how to set a sleep timer on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily set a sleep timer using the clock app on your iPad. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up a clock app and then you will see various tabs on the top. Tap on the timers, and then here you can set any duration that you want. So if I set 30 minutes, I just have to like slide down, and then you can even change the seconds. You can even put in hours according to your wish. And now once you have set the duration, go to when timer ends, and now set the song or music that you want and hit set. And you just need to hit on start, and that's it. Now the sound will play after 1 hour 30 minutes, and then the sleep timer will turn off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.